Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to talk about German grammar, which is actually part of my beginner's course where you learn German with stories. And today let's talk about German pronunciation and word accent. Let's start with the pronunciation. First, let's see the vowels. Okay, let's start with the A. In German, A. So it's pronounced like in Target. A like in Target. E like in 10. E like in 10. I like in bingo. No? O like in door. U like in you. And in German we have also called vowels, they are called Umlaut. No? And there we have A umlaut. Pronunciation is more like E. It's like in end. No? E like in end. O umlaut, it's like you put your mouth like O, but you want to say E. So it's Ö. Okay? Like in sir. Okay? And U umlaut, you put your mouth like U, but you want to say I. So it's Ü, okay? Like in Tyrol, okay? So these are the vowels in German. So let's see the consonants. I just will mention those consonants, they are different to English. So we have here J, so it's pronounced like in yes, okay? Always, yes. The R, it's pronounced like an arm. No, it's a little bit soft. No, it's not so strong, but normally you can feel it and hear it. No, like an arm. V, it's called like in father. No, it sounds like an F. V sounds almost every time like an F. V, W, V, like in victory. Okay. And this is also a special letter, it's called SZ, no? And it's mainly pronounced like an S, like in his, no? SZ is pronounced like an S. So let's see some important combinations, okay? And let's start with E, U, A umlaut U. And this is pronounced like in boy, so like O-I, no? Boy, no? E-I is pronounced like in wine, so I, wine. E, it's pronounced like in week. No, it sounds like in long I, no, week. No. SCH is pronounced like in sheep, no, sheep. When we have an SP at the beginning of a word, it's pronounced like in fish pool, so sp, no, fish pool. The same thing applies when we have st at the beginning of a word, like in ashtray, so sht. When we have q, u, it's pronounced like in quest, no, quest. When it's CH after A, O or U, it's like the Scottish loch, loch. And CH after other letters, it's pronounced like in huge, It's a little bit softer like SCH, no, it's not sh, it's sh, huge. Okay. And when we have a vowel followed by an H, then actually the vowel sounds longer, okay? So it's a way to make it longer, okay? It's also possible to have a double vowel like E or O. You can double this vowels and it has the same effect. It makes the vowel longer, okay? But normally we use H. When we have a double letter after a vowel, no, the vowel sounds shorter, okay? So for some historical reason, the duplication of K no, isn't KK, it's CK. And for Z, it's actually TZ, no? And it's not possible to double the consonants C, H, J, Q, V, W, X, no? That's not possible. Yeah, actually normally the pronunciation of the German letters and combinations are much easier than you think. If you stay with this, you will be fine, okay? So now let's see the word accent, because it's also important how the melody works in a word. So normally in German, the accent on the word is on the first syllable. Okay, let's see some examples. For example, arbeiten, Deutschland, Name. Okay, you see I lift my voice in the first syllable. Okay, so arbeiten, Deutschland, Name. And the same applies for the separal verbs. No? It's a special group, and there we also pronounce the first syllable, like in anrufen, einladen, abfahren. Okay? But like always in German, there are some exceptions, and where we don't put the accent on the first syllable. And let's see some example here as well. For example, there are some really exceptions like studieren, Bücherei, Information. Okay? Studieren ends in ieren. All the verbs, they end in ieren, no? They get the word accent exactly there. When we have in Bücherei, the ending EI, so it's also this what we pronounce, or what we put the accent. And Information, it's also all the words, they end in Zion, they do the same thing. Okay, those are kind of exceptions. And we have also a group inseparable verbs. And here we normally pronounce the syllable after the prefix, like in bekommen, gewinnen, verkaufen. Okay, so it's not the first one. So actually there are no rules for foreign words. So if you have a foreign word what enters the German language, normally it adapts the word accent to the original word. Okay, so this is a little bit about pronunciation of letters and combinations and the word accent. Thank you very much, and remember, grammar is optional. You should focus always on my story to learn German for beginners.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Check out more videos for more tips on mastering German. Want to take your German learning to the next level? Visit my website for more courses and private lessons. See you there.